In this video we will talk about and showcase how to create a module from scratch. After installing the system and configuring all of the packages we needed, we are greeted to this wonderful homepage. To create a module in the CRM, we need to first go to our workbench. In the top right corner is our profile icon, and hovering over it will give us a few options. Clicking on the cog icon will take us to the workbench. Once inside, we are going to navigate to the Custom Modules section, which we can do by searching for it in the search bar. So, type in Custom Modules, click here, and we are taken to the Custom Modules section. Here we can see a few things. So for starters, we don't have any records because we haven't created a custom module yet. Clicking the Add button will make a few fields appear, and we will go through each one by one. So let's start. In the first field, we give our module its name. We like to practice adding 3-letter abbreviations of the customer name, followed by the module name in the plural form, where the first letter of each word is capitalized. So, for example, let's say a customer is 20 Reasons. The abbreviation is going to look something like this, followed by the module name, beginning with a capital letter for each word, so employee suggestions in the plural, so it needs to be plural. Moving on to the icon. For the icon, we will refer to the Lightning design system, since SpiceCRM incorporates their UI. We can move to their website and go to icons. In here, we'll see a few options, and we'll click the standard and custom one, since Spice uses these. Looking through the icons, we can choose one which fits our module the way we want it to. For this example, we'll take this one, copy its name, go back to the CRM, and paste it into the icon field, like so. The next field is the bean. The bean column is a representation of our database entries. Where we will define these entries later, the bean allows us to manage permissions essential for displaying accurate data to all application users. So, since our module is called like this, we can just copy it, paste it into this field, and remove the S so it's in the singular form, representing one bean. Next, we have the bean table. This is an old part of the system that is not used anymore, so we can skip it. Moving on to the module label. This represents the technical name of our module. All of the titles in the application are handled through labels. The naming convention is as follows: LBL, all capitalized, underscore, and plus the technical representation of our module name that is not already in use. So, in this case, since suggestions already exist, this is going to be employee suggestions. For the singular label, it has to be the same as the module label, only in the singular form. So, employee suggestion. Moving on. The visible checkbox enables us to view and manage the module inside of the app launcher. When it is ticked, it can be seen and accessed through said app launcher. So, when we click this, once we save everything, we can go into the app launcher and view our module here. Enabling the track will allow the application to track certain type of data. For example, users that have visited the module and what changes were made. Although at this moment this is not important for us. Checking the favorites box will enable the module to be marked as favorite by other users using this star in the top right corner. Next, we have the workflow tag, which enables a clear view of the progress and status of each task that we set in our module. In our example, For the employee suggestions, it would be highly beneficial to have a workflow chart that tracks these suggestions, which would ensure efficient management and accountability. Lastly, we have the sys dictionary definition. This provides us with our module configurations, our database table name, content of table, and so on. In order for our module to work properly, we will need to give it a dictionary definition. But for now, we can leave it empty. Upon filling out all of the proper fields, we can save our changes using this tick, and the first step to creating our custom module will be done.